Meaning of garner.
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 garner,
Garner. The word garner means to gather, collect, or accumulate something. It is often used to describe the process of accumulating or gathering information, resources, or knowledge. For example, a person may garner support from their community by engaging in charitable activities. In business, a company may seek to garner market share by offering competitive pricing and quality products. Overall, the term garner implies the act of taking steps to acquire or obtain something through focused effort, strategy, and planning.